Okay everybody, in this experiment with the ABHA coil, I've taken out the collection coils to begin with. I put silver around this to see if there was a different effect from copper. With this setup there isn't. I also from one of my subscribers were asked to take the metal ends of these, so instead of it acting as a resistor, it would act as a capacitor. I'm still yet to do some experimenting on that. System as it stands with no power coming in is 4.8 millivolts within the system. I had to turn this off because it was just being, yeah, it didn't give me a good enough example. What I want to show you is, no, okay, don't know if you saw that, we froze. What I want to show you is that by increasing, you won't see any lighting as yet. This is the light that goes through the earth and the system. But we can get quite a high voltage in AC without, before in the videos I would turn the system up until the spark stopped. That would allow the, or that would then turn the lighting to full brightness. But I'll just show you with this meter here. So we turn it on, if you can hear it, should be able to hear it. I have the system set at sine wave. I'll turn the range. So we're turning her up. A very slow inclinations, so it allows it to keep up. Too fast and it doesn't like it. So as you can see, there's a slow increase. Also, so this isn't too boring, I opened one of the connections within the coil, so they're just hanging in the mid-air. Yeah, at this point, so at 250, I've been up to 300, but I don't know if it'll work on this test. No, it's not allowing it. Can also be influenced. It's really being influenced by this system, you can see. Very sensitive. This is why the scope is needed, which I have, but I still haven't had anybody that would has given me information or help me in any way at the moment as to where to stick my probe and how to set it up. There's not much on YouTube, and the information I have isn't really helping. So if anybody would like to also send me their Skype details, I would like to Skype with you. But when I turn it up to full, there we are. Yeah. Also, I think we're almost out of power. This is the fun thing about live filming and experimenting with one hand. We all love it so much. Oh, come on. So, turn the system up again. So we have full brightness. Let's see what that's giving us. Yeah, almost nothing actually. Again, we go back to the spark, an interrupted spark. You can see we still have some lighting, but we have the spark back, and that then gives us an extra voltage. Oh, this just won't allow. Didn't have it today. It's not a good day for experimenting, apparently. No. So that's what I have at the moment. Probably a boring video. The next thing, if I can get 220 volts out, I want to see if we can get this going. It's AC in, DC out. This should give 24 volts out. If that is possible, then yeah, there should be no problem with having the system run itself. But it's a work in process. If anybody's interested in donating lots of money to my research, I'll be very, very happy. Well, that's the lesson for today. People that are unemployed have lots of time to do these kind of experiments, me being one of them. So thanks very much for watching.